Hey guys, Paul here, LawnLifeMowing. Today I'm going to be doing a little project, as you can see behind me here. I'm going to be doing some mulch glue from Petromax. I'll let you guys get a look here. Shout out to them for sending this to me. I appreciate you guys. It's the HD 2000S, and they sent me the mulch glue max and also the turf paint green. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well, so you guys stick around, stay tuned. So this is, I got 2 quarts in here, so we'll pour all this in. And then I'll get some water in. Turn this on, this charges up. There's no pump. That's the good thing I like about the sprayer, and it keeps constant pressure, so I don't have to keep pumping, losing pressure. It's constant spray. So let's go check it out. So one thing I like is it's nice, even pressure. It's steady stream of everything. You're not getting these pumps that are inconsistent, you know. And if I have to get down low and stuff, I don't have to worry about pumping and carrying it. Down low, so I'm not pumping. I like that. For those that have never used glue before, it looks white right now, which is kind of nice because you can see where you put it down, but it dries clear, so you don't see any of this, you know, at the end of the day. So glue down rocks as well, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue down some of these rocks as well, since we've already prepped it up. Nice pressure on it. Nice consistency. It says apply two coats, so we'll come back and have this dry, come back with another coat. Alright, so there you have it, the Petra HD 2000S awesome pump sprayer. I love that I'm not pumping it. It's automatic. You charge it up. The batteries, the glue is awesome. You put it down, you can see where you put it. It's white. You don't have to worry about it. You come back, it's clear. And I'm gonna let all this dry, and we'll come back and I'll blow on it and I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. But overall, if you're having issues with rocks or mulch coming out of your beds, great product. I'm gonna put the links in the description. You guys check them out. Petromax for the win. I'm out of here.